and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we have another Starbucks refresher for you. We have a strawberry acai refresher, but before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. Alright, let's get started. So if you go on Starbucks website, you can see the ingredients for all of their different drinks, right? So when you look at the ingredients for the strawberry acai refresher, you'll see that there's, water, white grape juice, there's dried strawberries, there's acai, there's actually the green coffee bean powder. That's where they're getting their caffeine from, but there's also, natural flavors, so I guess that's going to be their passion fruit, which we have in the corner over there. There's also added sugars, there's also citric acid that's added as an additive or, a preservative, which we don't need here. But it's pretty much all it is, and that's all we have right here. These are all available on Amazon, depending on what natural, food stores that you have near you, so they're really easy to get, and it's super easy to make, and it's super, super delicious. So this is going to be super easy, you guys. All I'm going to do is go ahead and grab some ice, and then we'll go ahead and get started. Okay, so we have our cup of ice and our little straw. Now the first thing you're going to want to do, just like the other recipe videos that I've made, is you're going to want to take your dry ingredients, so your powder. So you have your freeze-dried strawberries, you have your green coffee bean powder, and you have your acai. Okay, so we have them right here. And you're going to either take some water or some of the grapefruit juice, whichever one, doesn't matter. We're all mixing this together anyway. And you're going to take some of that liquid and just kind of emulsify this a little bit until things are, nice and dissolved, because you don't want any chunks of any of this in your drink. So we have this. So you're going to kind of get, depending on how much water you put, like a paste or a liquid, whatever, we just want to make sure kind of break this down a little bit. I'm going to grab a bigger whisk. Still a baby whisk, but a bigger baby whisk. So we're going to, just take this and add this to our water, the rest of our water. Okay. Then we're going to add our passion fruit puree. Mine's been sitting for a little bit. Now they have all different things. They have the passion fruit puree, passion fruit juice, passion fruit, whatever cocktails, things like that. I'm just going to want just a little bit of that passion fruit in there. Okay. And now we have our white grape juice. And that's literally it, you guys. And basically, you're just gonna mix all of this stuff together, add some ice, and you're good to go. Now I learned my lesson last time with just using all these glasses and not a spout. So this time, we're not gonna have any casualties or spills. So let's watch this pour. How good does this look, you guys? So excited to try this. Okay guys, so now it's time for my favorite part, to try some. Okay. So this is definitely pretty good. It's not my favorite so far. Now, I don't know if it's because there's not that much sweetness or because it's more tart than sweet or what it is, but it's definitely good. It's not my favorite. It's not as refreshing or just like, ooh, when I taste it, I'm just like dying. Like all the other, all the other videos, I'm like dying for more. This isn't the best, but who knows? I'm very sensitive to spice, very sensitive to bitterness and things like that. So this might just not fit like my taste buds or my flavor profile, but you might really, really like this. For instance, like I said, with the pliables, Sean is always getting the acai and I'm always getting the passion fruit. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If this is one of your drinks that you like to order from Starbucks, let me know if you try this and if you really liked it, or if you're the same with me, that you're kind of like indifferent about it. You don't love it, you don't hate it. It's just like, all right. But I would much rather order like the lemonade one that I made, or the, oh, even the pink drink. If you remember a little while back, I made the Starbucks pink drink. But I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Let me know if you want me to make more of these videos, if there's a certain refresher or Starbucks drink or Dunkin' Donuts drink, whatever, Rook coffee, whatever it is that you want me to make a copycat recipe right at home, so y'all can save some mola and you can have this drink whenever you want. You don't have to wait in the Corona lines for a decade to get it. But that's all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and a little bell so you don't miss some of my videos. I will be checking. But as always, if you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes right to your inbox, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.